Welcome everybody to Fort Worth Stockyards. This is a historic stockyard street. And we're here today in Fort Worth, Texas. There's the Fort Worth Livestock Exchange, and in about an hour or so they're going to herd the cattle right down the street and right in front of us. And that's what we're here for. And afterwards, there's supposed to be some sort of a gunfight in the street. If you want to see another gunfight in the street, just go back and search for my, where were we? Gunfight in the street. Tombstone, yeah. Go check that one out. Sorry guys, we go so many places I don't know where I am. And in case you're wondering, guys, we did have to pay for parking. We didn't know that, but we did. It's $15. We could park for the whole day. Don't think we're going to be here the whole day, but anyway, this is called the, I don't know what I'm looking at. Something called Mule Alley over here. Mule Alley. Oh, there's a map of Mule Alley. What do you think this is? Apparently the rodeo is here. We don't have no tickets, but I'm gonna walk up here anyway. We'll see what we see, y'all. This is called the Coliseum. Built in 1908. The Cowgirl Gathering, home of the Texas Rodeo Cowboy Hall of Fame. Alright, so we're not going to get in there without a ticket. We're here to watch the cows come down the street. So we're going to do that first. That's in about an hour. After that, we'll do one of these other things. John Wayne, An American Experience. Nice streets. Nice streets. Welcome, Pilgrim. Guys, just hanging out here, Fort Worth Stockyards, getting ready for the cattle drive. I moved right up front here to the curb, and not exactly sure which direction they're coming, but I think they're coming from down there. And we'll see the cows in about 10 minutes.
Like I was saying, when the shooting starts, I want you to take this here shotgun and bring up the rear. Can you do that?
Bring up the rear?
That's right.
I can do that.
I'm not so sure. All right, boys, you've had plenty of time to think about this. What's it gonna be?
Well, seeing as how you ain't left us much of a choice.
Don't turn around.
I reckon we don't give you much of a chance.
Hey, Marshall! That one there kicked the bucket.
This is what you deal with when you employ your son-in-law. What are you doing?
I'm doing what you told me to do.
Which was?
When the shooting starts, take this here shotgun and bring up the rear.
Yeah.
Your rear came about that far off the ground.
I swear, Barnaby, if I could get down there, I would round off your face!
Everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just.
Hey everybody, we're at Cattlemen. This is my lunch. Had a little salad, I got a baked potato with a bunch of fixins over here. What is this, a sirloin? Yeah, I got a sirloin steak, about a 12-ounce sirloin. And we're here in the middle of steak country, beef country, so I decided to get a steak for lunch. Scott approves of this steak.